Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started Sketchup Pro tutorial series, and today I am going to discuss about a core object or core tools of Sketchup. So this is most important tools of Sketchup, and in this lecture I am just going to show about that topic, and this is push and pull tool. Okay, actually this is an easy tool, but it's a huge work. So in this lecture I'm just going to show that how we'll use that option. Actually I'm doing separate video for every simple things because I just want to show you properly everything on every software. So let's start. And before starting, if you are a civil engineer and also if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. First of all, I am just opening SketchUp. Actually here I have created some pre-tools. Okay, I have just created here some pre-tools. So first of all, I'll just show you about that. Okay, first of all I'll just show you about that. So they have some here here we have some wall and we have some windows. So in this lecture I'm just going to show that how we'll perfectly use that tools. Okay, how we'll perfectly use that tools here. So suppose this is our first wall. Okay, this is our first wall, and I'm just going to show that how we'll use that actually. So suppose I need to cut a windows here. Okay, I need to cut a windows here. So how will just cut a windows? Suppose if we have a rectangle with line, then we can cut a windows by cutting that wall. So what will use that? We'll use that push pull option. Then I'll just click here. Okay, I'll just click here. After that I'll just select, and after that I'll just come, and when just you will see a option like on face. Okay, then click, left click, then see your windows have created. Okay, now if I go here, similarly if I select that, left click, and if I go right and if I click on face, just see here it's have cut one part but not another part. Okay, so you have to remember that in that side also. Okay, in that side also you need a face, not any line here available. You have to remember that, right? So again if I just come here, they have no face here or no line here. So if I just simply select, then go inside, then wait for the one face command or on face option. Okay, then simply click, left click, and see your windows is okay. So in this way, okay, in this way you are able to use that option, right? And just see here I have moved, it have moved actually. So I'll just control Z. So here now I'll show you about I'll show you some about point. Okay, so if you see here, if you see here, we have a different height of that wall. So if we want to move that height, move that wall with respect to another height, then how we'll do that actually? So simply I'll just take that push pull, and I'll take that, at with respect to which wall we want to move. Suppose with respect to that wall I want to move that, so I'll just go top and I'll take that on face. Just click, see here, or that face wall distance is same. So similarly with respect to that point on that face, so this is your system. Okay, so and here if we just come here, okay, if we just come here and see here, I have just created that. Actually to push and pull you can use that option easily. Suppose here if you select, then you can come here. Okay, and if you need to move that wall right, that then simply double click here on that wall, and actually the software remember the pre-work of that pull push. Okay, so suppose here we have a line here. Okay, we have a line here right, that, and if you want to move that face with respect to that one, then they have two options. Simply click, left click, and come here and use that one face option. Otherwise, Ctrl Z and move that option little bit, how much you need actually. After that, right click. Okay, so it will actually work perfectly. And after that, similarly come here, okay, on face. Now here I'm just going to do that like that way, and I'm just going to make it like that on. So here, see that every facer, I mean every face will be like that. Now if I want to move that option, or if I want to down that option like that, so what I'll do actually, I'll just simply select that face carefully and I'll just click here. I'll, even it's record, I'll just zoom that, then on face, just see here, it's done. And here I need to move that line with respect to, with respect to that line or that line, that I'll do, just simply select and move that, okay, move that point and just simply select, just see here, it's okay. Now if you select that option, and also if you come here like that, just see here, it's a move, it's a move. And similarly, if you want to move that, select that option, and similarly if I want to make that like that face, just see here, this is the work. So in this way you are able to use that option like that. And also if you want to move that, simply select and click, just come here, just see here, that is the option. And you can do anything with that face, suppose here. And now they have another option. If you need to, suppose this is a boundary of a house, and if you need to design that, I will do that actually. Simply press Ctrl and select an up, just see here, they have another line. Again press Ctrl and go top and click, it's okay. Again Ctrl, then click and go up. So like that you can here again, and again Ctrl, and from here like that. So here, just see here how much line we have created. Now if you want to move some face, suppose if I want to move that face, okay, so what I'll do actually, they have two options actually. I can move that face like that way, right? Sorry, like that way, like that way. I can move that face, but Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. We can also select that face from here and we can delete. Just see here, that face have moved, right? That face have moved. Similarly, if you delete that face from here, delete like that. If you delete that face, I mean that it's, then it will be removed. Then Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Okay. So actually, in this way, you are able to work here actually as you need, right? So here, if you want to just go down, just see here, you'll be able to do anything actually what you need. Just see here. So actually it's up to you how will utilize that option, and it's depend on your practice. So how much you will practice, you will learn much more. Okay, so here if you use the, when we are pulling or pushing, then if we use the alt option, then it will cut like that. So that is the way to use push and pull option, and I hope that's okay to you. And if you think that is helpful for you, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever fast. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.